What is up, everybody? This is Baxter over at carwashcountry.com. Today, I wanted to touch on a couple strategies for generating more leads in your auto detailing business. But really, before I get into that, I wanted to briefly talk about how do you actually collect and capture customer information? Like, what do you do with this information? A lot of people talk about strategies for generating more leads, and that's great. That's an important part of your business, but you really need to have a foundation for viewing these leads, for making business decisions based on what your leads are doing, what they're purchasing. Having a database allows you to do so much. You can send emails. It just makes everything very streamlined. You're not worrying about spreadsheets that maybe aren't updated. You're not worrying about notebooks that get lost. You have everything in one place. HubSpot is my favorite software for this. I actually have a link in the description since I am an affiliate. So click that. It is a free product, so it's free to try. And honestly, in my opinion, it's the best marketing automation or CRM product for beginners out there. To be completely free, it really does a lot. $1 million companies use this software. So if you have a bunch of leads laying everywhere, put them in HubSpot, put them in a CRM, and that'll be a great first step into really modernizing your business. And then once you have that in place, like, how do you actually collect or capture leads? HubSpot comes with a functionality to put forms on your website, so when people fill out these forms, they go straight into HubSpot. So that's something to check into. If you have a website already, or if you don't, check out Wix, check out maybe Squarespace. I'm a big fan of WordPress, but whatever works for you, you want to make sure you have a way for customers to contact you and actually collect this information and put it in a database. So I really wanted to just briefly cover that. If you have any other questions, I actually wrote a blog post on this topic that I will link up in the description as well. You can check that out. But when it comes to generating leads, one thing I'll mention is traditional marketing still works in some markets. If you have community bulletin boards or something like that, a good stack of business cards is a great idea. I have a business card template, if you don't have one already, that you can download. Carwashcountry.com/resources will take you right to it. But feel free to check that out. Business cards still work. Postcard mailing services still work as long as you have a good list that's local to your area. Companies like Vistaprint will actually allow you to purchase a database of leads and then just upload a finished product, a finished design, and they'll take care of mailing everything out for you. And if you have a phone number on your postcard or an email address, it's a great way to generate more leads. So check that out. And then briefly, we have a ton of modern strategies like Facebook ads that are obviously tremendously effective. They also have this function called it's called lead forms. So you don't even really have to have a website. You can just set up your forms through Facebook, and Facebook will handle all of this information. So all you have to do is download a file of every customer that responded to your ad, every customer that filled out a form on the Facebook app, and you have that information to put in HubSpot or any other CRM. I know that was a lot. I hope it was helpful. If you are a beginner, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, feel free to leave a comment below. Subscribe to the channel, and until next time, hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you later. Thanks.